How to randomly change Boolean value in a list. I'm trying to randomly assign a true value to a list of Booleans. When I run the code, I keep getting an error. Here's the code, which keeps throwing the error. I'm sure it's something trivial, but I can't figure it out. How is the index assignment out of range when I constrain it to within the length of the list?
Random.randint a, b returns a number between a and b inclusive. If the result of the function call equals len, population, then you're trying to do population len, population, which will raise an indexer because indexing starts at 0. Simple change, just -1 from len, population. Or use randrange a, b, which is not inclusive. Note that if the first argument is 0, we don't need it since it will assume the start is 0.
According to the documentation, random.randint a, b. Return a random integer n such that a equals n equals b. Since arrays are indexed starting at 0 in Python, len, population, is outside the range of the array, hence your error. As Ateria indicated, you actually want the range to be from 0 to len, population, 1.
Try.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.